Welcome to Graph Tutorials. I'm Shiva, and in this video I'm going to take a look at how you can draw behind and inside of an object in Adobe Illustrator. So we'll first make an ellipse. And with the ellipse selected, I'm going to click on Draw Behind. And then I will take my brush tool. I'll give it another color so we can see what we're doing. I'm first going to deselect my ellipse because otherwise I'm changing that color. I'm going to take my brush tool, I'm going to change the color so we can see what we're doing. And then I'm going to draw behind the ellipse, as you can see. So I'm drawing on top of it, but because I selected draw behind, as soon as I release the brush, I'm drawing behind it and you don't see the stroke inside of the ellipse. Now I'm going to first select the ellipse again, and then I'm going to choose the draw inside option here. I'm going to deselect it, take my brush tool, and then take another color and draw inside of the ellipse. So I'm exaggerating here, I'm drawing outside of it, and as soon as I release my brush tool, it's only visible inside of my ellipse. And as you can see here in the layers window, the draw inside option in Illustrator creates a clipping mask basically. So your ellipse has become a clipping mask, and that's why your strokes with the brush are only visible inside of it. Really quick tutorial on how to draw behind and inside of objects in Adobe Illustrator. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video. Be sure to press the like button if you did. And if you want to see my future videos, be sure to also press the subscribe button with the little bell icon. But for now, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.